I'm going to be showing you how to solve a 5 by 5 part 2. Let's get started. Now this time I'm going to be showing you how to solve the rest of the cubes. So let me show you. So let's get started. First, we're going to want two things like this. And the main algorithm you're going to have to need to know how to do this is this. Facing me, up by 2, go push it this way from the bottom, down by 1, go this way by 2, go back up, push it this way just by 1, push it back down and move it by 2, and then you'll get 2. I already had 2, so that was kind of a waste. So let me just re-get that, and you should have 2. And now you'll know that you did something. Now if you get something like this, where the 2's on here and the 2's like this, see? Then just do the algorithm I just taught you. And if it doesn't go in, don't worry, you could just spam the ability. Luckily, mine's actually did go in, as you can see here. And I actually got 2. So yeah. And also, there's 2. One is for this side, and the other is for this side. And only use this side if it's something like this, where it's like this, but it's on this side. See? And now we just use our ability. I sadly forgot how to do it. So let me just switch that. Is it like this? Okay, and then you should have something like this. Once you do everything I said, you should have all the headlights. And unlike the 4x4, there is no clarity at all, unless you mess something up. But for this, I didn't get any clarity, so you can just solve it like a 3x3. And in case you don't know what to do, if you have this straight line, then just move it to the left, so like it's like this, and then just go up this way, down this way, and then move it back, and boom, you have the yellow cross. Now you just move all your headlights in place, it being these 2, and now you just do this: up, left, down, left, up, left, down, and just do that like one time. I sadly messed it up, so let me just fix that, and it should look like something like this. And if that happens, congratulations! All you have to do is just get these corners and you're done. But don't think you can just flip it over. There's actually a method to get it. Look for just the one solved one. If there's no solved ones, then just do this. But you'll know it's solved if this is going over here and the up thing's going over here. So facing me, do up using this. Make it go this way. Right, up using this one. Left, down, right, down, this, left. And do that one last time, because you always have to do it 2 times. And you should have all the corners correct. And I'll simply turn over the cube and just do the algorithm I taught you: up, left, down, right, and do it until the yellow thing goes in, inside. And once you do all of that, you did it. You have successfully solved the 5 by 5. And you might be wondering, what does this have to do with all big cubes? Well, right now I'm going to show you. Now, one thing that you have to know for all big cubes is, number 1, try to make the centers first. But for the layer by layer method, it's different. You actually make the white thing first, the whole white side. And now, in the first one, you always do this because you have to. But here's the thing: after the corner layer, It. Give me a second. Oh, why is this taking so long? Whatever. After that, then you have to do up and then up. So the first one and then 2 over and then this one. And up and then the middle thing that you're doing. Well, and if it's even with a cube, then well, just pretend that the closest thing that's meant to look like the middle is the middle. And then you do these two, and then so on and so forth. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I sadly couldn't make a video after 4th of July because I was too busy celebrating. Click here for click here for a new video, down here for my playlist, and over here to do the coolest thing ever, which is subscribing. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Oh wait.